Good morning, students. In today's commerce class, we are going to continue with Unit 2, Financial Market 1. Under that, we are going to study money market. In the previous section, we learnt about capital market. Capital market is a place where long-term financial can be raised. Now, in this section, we are going to study about money market, its meaning, its definition, and its characteristics, its objectives, and we are going to also study about the difference between the capital market and the money market. Next, we are going to study the participants in the money market and what are all the instruments that is used in the money market. First, let us learn the meaning of money market. Now, what is this money market? You know what is market, children, as I have already explained to you. Now, money market means it makes you clear that it's a market where you can get money. That means how you can get money. Nobody will give you money simply, isn't it not? You have to give something, then only money can be given. In that case, here also the same transaction follows. You have to give some securities, some collateral securities, and for that securities money will be given to you. You got me, students? Okay, then who will give you money? Banks are there. Many financial institutions are there. They are ready to provide you with money by getting securities from you in the form of surety. Okay. Now, when I say specifically money market, in this money market, you can raise only short-term funds to meet your short-term requirements. Possibly it can be a year. You got me, students? So, here the securities what you provide, the assets and the financial securities what you provide, that value of the securities is also going to be less. You got me, students? So, it can be in the form of treasury bills. I will explain it to you in the later classes. What do you mean by treasury bills? How the transaction goes. Similarly, commercial bills, certificates of deposits, government securities. So, these are the main instruments which is used in the money market to do purchase of money. That means to get money. For what purpose? To meet a financial requirement. So, once again I have come in detail with the money market instruments. Here is a certificate of deposit, you see, children. The format is given here, a model of certificate of deposit. You can go through this. In this certificate of deposit, you have name of the depositor, deposit number, descriptions, reference numbers, valued at, the transaction code and date of deposit. So, when this certificate of deposit is provided, it is given to you. You got me, students? So, make note of it. The certificates of deposit will be in this form only. So, when I say government securities, it will be in the form of treasury bond, treasury bills, treasury note, and etc., the picture of which is given here for your reference. Now, coming back to the definition of money market. Now, Crowther defines money market as a market which is collective name given to various firms and institution that deals in various grades of near money. So, it is a place where collectively group of institutions are there and where various grades of money transaction take place. Now, let us see how RBI defines this money market. Market for short-term financial assets. RBI says that it is a market for short-term financial asset that are close substitutes for money facilities. That means if we want money, we can very well go to this institution and very easily generate money. The exchange of money for new financial claims. That means what? Financial claims means what? You give some instrument. Your whatever instrument you are giving is called as financial claim, and you exchange it and then you get money in turn. On the primary market, as also for financial claims already issued in the secondary market. So, here primary market and secondary market, they say. How the primary market and secondary market is dealt means The market, primary market, is a market where you find the transaction at once. Immediately you give it in the form of security to a person who directly gives you the money, and immediately you get a liquid cash. When I say secondary market, that instruments will be sold by broker in the secondary market or any mediators, and then they provide you the money. Or exchange of instruments also can take place, and buying and selling of instruments can take place. So that can be called as a secondary place in the money market. Hope you understand this RBI definition also, children. Objectives of money market. The main objective of money market is that as follows, children: to provide a parking place to employ short-term funds. That means what? You know what is a parking place, isn't it? So parking place is a place where we go and park the vehicles. Similarly, money market serve as a parking place for money, where we can go and employ our short-term surplus funds. That means where we can find our short-term financial requirements. The second objective of money market is that to overcome short-term deficit. Suppose if you have any short-term financial expenses to be met, then you can approach this money market, who will provide you with the short-term financial funds at reasonable cost. The next objective is that to enable the central bank to influence and regulate liquidity in the economy through its interventions in the market. That means money market allows the central bank to intervene in its market. So as I told you already, money market is a place where many commercial banks and financial institutions are collectively joined together. If they have any shortage of funds, they can approach the central bank. So central bank can intervene in this money market, and it can maintain the liquidity of cash with the other banks, so that the public financial requirements can be met quickly. To provide a reasonable access to users of short-term funds to meet their requirements quickly, adequately, at reasonable cost. That means short-term financial market, that is a money market, it provides financial facilities at a reasonable rate and cost. The financial requirements can be met quickly. That means what? You can raise short-term finances very easily from this money market. Understood this session, children? Thank you. Students, your assignment: define the term money market and objectives of money market. You have to study this and copy in the classwork note.